Wise versus GX Bank, the 2026 savings strategy. So, two platform, two purpose, one smarter financial stock. The digital divide. Most people treat Wise and GX Bank as rivals, but they are not. Each fills a completely different role in modern financial life. GX Bank, Malaysia's first licensed digital bank built for local region growth, everyday spending on government-backed savings security. Wise, a global multi-currency powerhouse built for international transfer, foreign currencies management, and borderless spending. They reveal they don't compete. Together, they form a complete optimized financial stack. So, GX Bank built for multi-Malaysia, high-yield savings, 2% PA base rate up to 4% PA via bonus pocket, among the best rates available locally. Protected and free PIDM, protected up to RN 250, free do it now payment and cashback on everyday local spending. Know the limit app only, no quirks, books, and history of rate cuts. Best use as secondary high yield vault. So here, wise borderless by design. Through transparency, use the real mid-market exchange rate, what you see on Google, with zero hidden markups. So that is it. So global reach, over 400 plus currency, and receive payments like a local in 19 regions worldwide. Real cost savings transfers are 7 to 10 times cheaper than traditional bank wires. So the 2026 verdict: don't choose stack. The home base, keep emerging funds and local savings in GX Bank. Earn daily interest with PIDM protection. Cross-border, use Wise for every international swipe, foreign purchase, and cross-border transfers to avoid hidden bank markups. Smartest stack, your local digital bank handles home. Wise handles the world. Together, they cover everything. So there you guys. Hope you guys do enjoy. If you have any question, concerns, sabi na question mo guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you guys.